Hello everyone! Today we are taking a look at the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. The packaging is what you would expect from Apple. Simple and straightforward. It's absolutely stunning. The design, the finish, it's just wow. Holding it in hand, it feels premium and solid. One of the first things you notice is the USB-C port. Apple has finally made the switch from Lightning to USB-C, which should offer faster data transfer and a unified experience. Another addition is the action button on the side. It's a new feature and I'm curious to see its functionality in daily use. The camera module looks impressive and I cannot wait to test it out. But first, let's see what else is in the box. Inside the box we have the USB-C to USB-C cable, finally, and some standard paperwork. It seems like there are no earbuds or charging brick, which is expected as Apple has been doing this for a while to reduce waste and save costs. Overall, the iPhone 15 Pro Max brings some interesting changes. The shift to USB-C and the addition of the action button are notable. I will be spending some time with this device to understand its features better. If you found this unboxing helpful, consider subscribing to my channel. I'll be diving deeper into the iPhone 15 Pro Max's features in upcoming videos, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.